Hello everyone. Now I'm going to show you how you can check your fees report through Vawsum app. First of all, you will have to log in with your credentials, and then on the right hand side corner there are three parallel lines which you have to click. You'll have to scroll down and select the fees option, where you'll be able to see the due list with the month details. And if you want to check the due details for any month, you will have to click the month according to your need. Supposedly, if you want to check for the month of March, you will click on to month of March. Here you'll be able to see the details with the classes. So if you want to check it for class 2A, you'll have to check on to class 2A, and here you'll be able to see the details. Now, P, which is highlighted in green, is paid. The students have already paid the fee. And then if it goes to R, that is reminder. If it goes to C, it goes for clear. So you will have to press on to the initials according to your need. And then from here, you'll be able to see the details of the students with the month and the due according to your need from here. So this is how you check your fees report from the app. Thank you.